That doesn't sound too good.
Hit it! That's what I'm talking about. Wait!
Okay, now, from the beginning.
Hello and welcome to another episode of Wolfridge Woodworking. So as you could hear from that intro, I've got some bad bearings in my lathe. So I've got some replacement bearings here. So I wanted to show you how, I don't know how I'm going to do this. I've never done this before, so you'll learn as you know, as I do. But so, you know, your mileage may vary depending on the lathe that you've got, but I'm sure most lathes have bearings in them. You just have to check and see, you know, how yours is done. But I've got a Jet 1221 VS variable speed, and it's not that old. So I was actually quite surprised to realize my bearings were going out. But anyway, so I want to take this opportunity to show you how I'm going to do this. And then while I'm at it, I figure might as well go ahead and do some lathe maintenance, because I think I'm supposed to do this more often, but I haven't. So it is well overdue to do some maintenance. So let's go ahead and let's get these bearings replaced, and then we'll go in and clean out the lathe and do some other maintenance. Okay, to get started with the bearing removal part of this video, here's just some of the tools that I'm going to be using. Is just a dead blow mallet. The two bearings, because there's a bearing here, but there's also a bearing on the other side. And so that's the two bearings here. Got a couple of Allen wrenches. You're supposed to have, I don't even know the technical term, but it's a pair of pliers that goes down into like a ring that holds the bearing in. I don't have that. Today's the 4th of July. Happy 4th, everyone. And I just, I don't know if the stores are open or not. So I'm gonna have to try and see if I can use these needle nose pliers. If not, we'll figure something else out, or this video might be put on hold for a day. Anyway, so that's the tools that I'm going to use. Just gonna take that off. And there we go. So inside here is the inner bearing. Got a little piece of wood, gonna stick it in here and remove this bearing. And here is the new one. Just gonna get some air and just kind of blow that out. And it doesn't appear that there is any difference between either side, so I think it's okay to put it in anyway. I think you just want to put it in evenly. Okay, I think that's probably needs to be seated a little bit more. I'm going to take it all the way in. So okay, so that one's done. So that to me, I think, is the easier one, because now what I've got to do is try to get this clip out. But now that I look, I don't think that my needle nose aren't big enough to go in there. So I wound up going to the store, and they were open, and got one of these. So I was able to get the retaining ring off. Just gonna gently tap. There she goes. And so now the bearing is off. And we'll get it put on. So just goes on just right here like that. But now I just got to tap this back out. All right, so there we go with that. And then we just need to get the retention spring on there. So I'm going to do that. and then I'll be right back. Okay, so we got that. And then let's put that up at the top. There's a little notch in there. I'm not sure if you can see that or not, but let's see. All right, let's see where, oh no, my big melon head's in the way. There we go. Okay, that looks good. Okay, move that forward. Let's get the belt out of the way. Let's see which one it was. Okay, and then let's just tighten that down. Okay. There's the center. Handle down. Screw that down. Okay. So I got everything tightened up. So sounds a lot better. Seems like there's still a little bit coming from maybe the motor, but I think that's okay. So now what I want to do is I want to do some maintenance on the lathe. So let me get the tools put away and get the stuff out that I need to clean this lathe and do some maintenance on it. So let me get reset and I'll be right back. All right, so let's get started with the lathe maintenance. So what I've got here is some dry lube. It's got PTFE in it, so from what I understand, that's pretty important. I got some steel wool, got a bronze or a brass brush, and then just a sanding block, okay? So what I'm going to do first is I'm gonna take some air, and I'm just going to air everything down and clean up all the residual dust that's on here. Take my sanding sponge and just clean up the bedways here and get some of the crud that is built up. So now that we got some of that loose crud off from the sanding, I'm gonna take some of the PTFE and just spray on here. And then I'm just going to take the steel wool and just run over it. So now I'm just going to spray it down. Take the clean side, kind of just evenly apply it, okay? So now that's a dry lubricant that's going to help the metal on metal go easier. Okay, so I'm just gonna take that sanding block and get underneath the tool rest. And then we're just going to spray some lubricant here. And then get here. Okay. And then we're just going to set that aside, and I'm just gonna wipe some of the excess off. Not try to get everything, but just some of the excess. It dries pretty fast, okay? Okay, so now we're just gonna set this aside. That's going to wrap up today's project. I appreciate you sticking around. Really quickly, I just want to mention, if you recently submitted a project on the website, I only got the pictures, so please resubmit the project. I'd love to feature it on the website. Anyway, so back to the project. It probably was a little bit disjointed, and I apologize for that. didn't exactly know what I was doing, and I kind of figured my way through it. It works, it's good, so I apologize for maybe the lengthy video. So that's going to do it for today. As I said, I appreciate you stopping by. If you are new to the channel and you'd like to become a subscriber, click up here and click that bell to be notified when I upload a new video. If you like this video, or maybe like to see other videos that I might do, click down here so you can see other projects. And as always, I wish you and your family a blessed day. Thank you.